changed my mind, I would retort the question back to Senator Khalwale. Have you changed your mind also as the government on this particular issue? Because me and you are the government. We are the ones who are supposed to work together to solve this problem. And that's why I invited you. We sit down together and solve this issue. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
We conclude that matter about Kakamega. Then Senator Abdu Haji.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I want to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank the CS Rhodes for the good questions that the good answers that he's been given this House. And I also think, unlike some of the members in this House, I think the CS is one of the very few CSs who is doing a commendable job at his ministry, which is a very big docket, and considering the fiscal challenges that the country is having, he has been doing a tremendously good job, and we thank him for that. Mr. Speaker, going straight to the question, I think the CS is aware that with the current rain downfall that we've been having, the regions of Northeastern has been facing a lot of challenges in terms of the poor roads that we already have, the poor existing roads. And most of the roads have been blocked or cut off. Could the CS tell this House if the ministry has any emergency program in terms of ensuring that these roads are back to being serviceable? Because at the moment, Wajir, for example, has been airlifting food, medicine, and fuel. There's a shortage of fuel right now in most regions, most areas in Northeastern Province. And also the roads leading to Wajir, Garissa-Wajir Road, Wajir-Mandera Road, these are international trunk roads. And for the last 2 weeks, trucks have been stuck on the road.